Investigating the problem, getting results. This is Wave 3 News at 5 with more coverage, community, commitment.
Well, school students with asthma no longer need to wait for their breathing relief.
Good news coming up in Health Alert. We'll tell you how a new Kentucky law is helping kids better control their illness.
Children with asthma are breathing a whole lot easier this school year, or at least they should be.
Parents, if you don't know, a new law in Kentucky is changing school rules across the state. Medical reporter Lori Lyle is here to explain.
Yeah, a lot of parents and kids have been waiting for this. The law, yes. The law is taking the inhalers out of the locked cabinets in the nurse's office and putting them in your child's pocket or book bag, mandating easy access for a condition that requires quick response. For most kids, recess is the best part of the school day. But for 10-year-old Jordan Stafford, it's the riskiest.
Sometimes I lose my breath and stuff.
A severe asthmatic, running, exertion, and outdoor allergens are his biggest triggers. But with inhaler in pocket,
Just in case, really.
Jordan is constantly prepared.
It just makes sense. How you been doing?
To carry an inhaler, that is. But family allergy and asthma's Dr. Tim Feger says until this school year, just making sense was no guarantee.
In reality, there were some schools that would not let them keep their rescue inhaler with them.
Even though, he says,
you should blast as hard as you can, really. Blow, blow, blow.
An asthma attack is basically like trying to breathe through a straw.
The more you cannot breathe, the more panic that you'll get.
And imagine if your relief is locked away.
The nurse's office is so far away from my room.
I'd be nervous.
Fortunately for Jordan, his school and many others already allowed students to carry inhalers. But for those schools that didn't, they're now required to by law.
An inhaler, it's an emergency device. And what good is an emergency device if you can't get to it?
You know, it's such a common sense law.
Mandating all Kentucky kids like Jordan enjoy the basic right to breathe. Now, the law went into effect July 30th. All the child and parent needs to do to carry the inhaler is provide the school with a doctor's note. And the law covers any school-related events. That means sporting events as well. Now, if you can just get your child to carry it, right, Dawn?
Yeah,
you work on that.
Alex is so embarrassed of his, he wouldn't go down to the office and get it. He didn't want anybody to know that it was down there.
But maybe with him just having it right there with him,
right,
you know,
when
it
he
becomes
needs
a little more normal.
Yeah.
All right, thank you, Lori.
Sure.